Let's go and start up my Samsung S22 Ultra. What the heck is going on? I've never seen this before. Why is it covering half of the screen like if it's a Samsung Fold? Look at this. What is going on? My phone is not dying. I guess the only solution is to do a hard restart, right? How do you even do a hard restart? By holding it down. That. You still have to draw the pattern, but how can you draw the pattern without... I don't know. Alright, so it looks like the only thing I can do is to force a hard restart. So I'm going to do this, restart, restart. And hopefully everything gets back to normal. It should be restarting showing it normal in a portrait view. Because, okay, that's better. I was worried if it would show up right there, then I don't know, maybe my phone would be dying. This never happened before until today. And my phone is about 3 years old. I think I got this in Black Friday of 2022. So we're talking about almost 3 years old. So still waiting for it to restart. Crossing my fingers. And it looks like, oh, we're back in business. So if you guys ever encounter that weird split screen issue, just do a hard restart. Have it use that face recognition so it can open it up. Otherwise, you will be forced to draw that pattern which you can't even draw. So hope this helps.